You don't have any more subjects for your videos? Hey guys, my name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. If you like shooting and creating videos, you probably shoot at everything, like literally everything. And sometimes maybe you are bored out of your mind and you're like, I don't have any more subjects to shoot. I don't know, maybe you can use this. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.